Hello, my name is Lady Joana Hoyos Gonzalez. I chose the company Soperes AX for its excessive use of expanded polystyrene which cause great damage of the environment. Because this afternoon around 500 years degrade when heated, it releases dioxins that are highly polluting and carcinogenic. For this reason, chance the menu be proposing a chance of raw material or a reinvention of the product that does not affect our ecosystem. This can be developed through simple solutions such as the use of reusable plastic decoration, the use of coffee type cork cups or our own cups. Thanks.